Good morning, Year 2, and welcome to Thursday's maths lesson. Today is the 28th of January 2021. We're getting so good at our counting in threes, there's only one number left on our grid. So get ready to join in and see if you can remember the other numbers. Remember, we start with the number 3. 18. Wow, well done if you remembered those. Let's give it another go. 18. Fantastic. Let's check what the numbers were. You should have started with 3, moving on to 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, and what's the last number? 30. Well done. Today we will use our grouping objects into equal groups to help us divide. So using our skill yesterday to turn it into division sentences, and then we will solve some problems. This was our symbol that we learned the other day for divide, a straight line with a dot above and a dot below. And in the week, we looked at it as meaning sharing. Today, we're going to look at it as meaning grouping. Have I grouped these apples equally? Shout it at your screen. Yes, I've put them into equal groups of 1, 2, 3. Have I grouped these flowers equally? No, these groups are equal. This has 2, this has 2, and this has 2, but my last group only has 1 flower. How could I make those groups equal? One thing I could do is by adding 1 flower to this end group so they all have 2 in. Have I grouped these jelly babies equally? Yes, well done. Each group has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 jelly babies in. Here's another example. I started with 6 cubes and I have put them into groups of 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And that made 2 groups. If I was going to write that as a number sentence, I would write 6 divided by 3 equals 2. That means 6 cubes put into groups of 3 makes 2. Let's have a go. You will need some small objects, a pencil and some paper.